My channel. This is Victory Agogo, and in this video we're going to learn how to do face swap. So I've been exploring the use of AI in the past few months, and there's an AI that can now swap out the face of a normal AI picture for your own face. All right, so this is the face of the normal AI picture I generated. After using the face swap, this is the result. This is actually face swap, and this is my face on the AI picture. It's so amazing, and it's actually a free AI site. So let's get right into it. So there are two steps. The first step is to generate your AI image, and then the second step is to go to the face swap and then swap out the AI image's face for yours or whatever face you want to use. All right. Right, like I said, there are actually two options, two processes. The first process is to generate your AI image using any AI image generator. We're going to use Bing, or I used Bing already. And this is the prompt I used: smiling black woman wearing a white polka dot dress. Okay, so I'm just going to click on any image that appeals to me and I'm going to use it. So I'm liking the third one. So this is the third one, and I'm just going to click on this three dots to download it. So this is it for the Bing AI. So the next step is to go to the face AI face swap website to swap out the face of this AI image for mine. Okay, so all right, so this is Chrome, and I'm going to go and search for Remaker AI, and load it. So Remaker AI, and wait for it to load up. So this is the Remeka AI. It's actually a free website. For now, it's free. There's no paid plan. So there are four uses for this website: face swap, multiple face swap, video face swap, AI face generator. But we're going to use the first option, which is face swap. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on face swap. Okay, so face swap. So it loads up, and this is actually what it does. You see upload image, upload swap image. So this is the first bar is to upload your original image, which is the AI image that you want to swap out your face for. And then target face is your face, all right? Or whatever face you want to load, you want to swap it to. So upload image. So I'm going to click on upload image, and then upload that image that I actually made using Bing AI. So the next one is to upload swap image. So for this, I'm going to click on upload swap image and actually browse out my own image. So I'm going to pause this and come back when I've gotten to where my image is. All right, so this is my image. So I'm going to click anyone. So I'm going to click one, and then it loads up. So this is my image. Next, I'm going to click on swap. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to swap. All right, just going to wait, and then you see generating. So just wait some more, and then you see your finished work, and it's actually good. Um, I when I first tried it, I was shocked, and I'm still shocked. So it's actually very good. It actually generates neat face swaps. Like, it's amazing. So just click on download to download your image, and then open it to see your finished work. Like, look at this, check this out. It's actually similar to my own face. Yes, actually similar. So I am very impressed, and I think you should try this out too. You can use it to make an AI talking video using DID or Wondershare. So I want you to try this out and comment if it worked for you. All right, so if you got value, leave a like and subscribe and share to your friends so that they can also watch this video. See you in the next video. Bye.